guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Bank of Hope. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bankofhope.com and hit enter. Once the Bank of Hope homepage opens up on your screen, on the right hand of your screen you'll see a tab where you will be able to sign in or reset your password. Now what you will have to do is click on the forgot password option, which is just below the password text field. Once you click on the forgot password option, you will be directed to another page where you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your user ID here, your social security number here, and click on submit. Once you click on the submit button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you will be further directed to another page where you will be able to reset your password. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on your Bank of Hope. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.